Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danial Afiq bin Azlan with metric number 1829901. In this video, I will be presenting my Info 4993 project, which is RevivifyMe, a secure productivity and mood tracking app for the mentally ill under the supervision of Dr. Shuhaili Talib. To start off, I will first present the poster for this FYP1 project. So, what is RevivifyMe? RevivifyMe is a productivity tool focused primarily on people with mental illnesses, specifically depression and anxiety disorders. This app performs two core functions, which are task scheduling, or in layman's term, to-do list, and mood tracking function, where the app records users' daily mood and projects the data in charts and graphs for easy analysis. Every activity done in this app will give users incentives in the form of collectibles or virtual badges with experience points, or EXP, to level up users' accounts. RevivifyMe can be used to improve quality of life by giving rewards for small and simple tasks, or in other words, to give a sense of progression in one's daily life. And this app can perform mood and behavior data projection on visits to the psychiatrist or therapist for better intervention. The two problem statements of this project are: without a tool for accurate records and analysis of mood and behavior, mental illness patients are forced to give estimations and assumptions, which can lead to incorrect treatment planned by doctors. Incorrect medication can be prescribed, which could lead to ineffective treatment for the patients. And secondly, it is very hard for people to stay consistent in using a productivity app, or any app for that matter, without any incentives, because as human beings, incentive really drives continued interest. As for the objectives, the developer plans to develop a productivity app that can schedule tasks, record and project mood data in graph and chart form for ease of viewing and understanding. And secondly, to create a positive experience for potential users by implementing a working reward system. So, what sets RevivifyMe apart from other productivity apps? As you can see in this literature review performed on 5 different commercial apps on the Google Play Store, some of these apps offer features that other apps don't. However, none of these apps have all of the listed features for this project, and none of these apps applies Islamic values in their system. Therefore, this project aims to provide complete features with an addition of dua and motivational quotes to better suit the Islamic lifestyle. RevivifyMe's interactive prototype was developed using Figma, and the actual system will be developed using Flutter and Firebase for the framework and the database. The most important diagram to illustrate the system easily is the use case diagram, as it shows what users and admins can access in the app. This is important to ensure that security of user data is guaranteed. As we can see in the use case diagram, the users are able to perform a lot of tasks, while the admin can perform a limited amount of tasks. Users can log in, sign up, view the dashboard, record mood conditions, manage task scheduling or the to-do list, view achievements, view the mood projection data, view collections of dua and motivational quotes prepared in the system, and change their password. But admins can only update user accounts after they registered into the system and manage the user accounts. For example, if users have changed their password, then admins can manage their accounts. And that's it for the task of the admin. The admin cannot pry and have a look at the user's data at all. So this ensures the safety of the app from data leak. As for the methodology, since this project is done in a linear sequence, the waterfall model was chosen to be the methodology of the System Development Life Cycle, or SDLC. Now that we are done with the poster, let's have a look at the interactive prototype of the system. Welcome to the high fidelity prototype. When users first launch the app, they will be greeted by this splash screen and a login screen. Assuming that the user does not have an account yet, simply create an account by tapping this link here. Now, all users have to do is fill in the valid credentials, and click sign up. Great! Now that we have an account, let's log in to the experience. After logging in, users will be directed to the dashboard of the app. Here, users can see the overall view of the progress in the app. Starting from the top, which is the latest virtual badge or collectible that they have earned in the form of pictures here, as you can see this panda icon here, account level down here, and the EXP progress of their account. Moving down, we have a simplified view of the user's recorded mood data in the past 7 days. The chart scales up according to the user's mood from 1 to 5. As we move down, we can find the latest task schedule in the to-do list. As you can see here, clean the room is scheduled for February 1 at 8 AM. To record a mood condition, users can tap on the mood button on the menu bar here and fill in the required fields. Once done, tap submit and the system will display a success message with a random dua or motivational Islamic quote. And here is a random dua that has been pulled from the database. And the users have also earned 20 EXP for their account level. To view the recorded data, simply tap on the data button and the system will display the mood data projection. Here, users can switch between day, which is here, week, which is here, month, and year. They can view the data in many ways. Over on the bottom are the individual mood records with detailed information. For example, if I click on this mood right here, it will give me a detailed information of the mood recorded on this date. Next is the to-do list, accessed by tapping on the to-do button over here. Here, users can add new tasks to be scheduled with the deadlines. As you can see here, we just click here and fill in the required details and add task. Once the user completes a task completed page will be displayed with a random dua or quote. For example, if we check off the clean the room here, this page will be displayed. As you can see, a different motivational quote has been displayed as a result of completing the task. And as you can see, the account has received 10 EXP from doing this activity. Next, we move on to the achievements page by tapping on the achievements button. Over on this page, users can view the account level progress, which has since increased by 30 EXP if you notice since our last interaction just now. And here, users can view all of the collection of the virtual badges or collectibles that they have unlocked. As you can see, since we haven't progressed a lot in this app yet, we only have unlocked 3 virtual badges or collectibles. There are so many more that can be unlocked. The higher the level, the more badges will be unlocked. Last but not least, users have the option to change their password in the setting here. They can change their password here, for example. And lastly, log out from the system, which will take them back to the login page. To conclude, it is hoped that RevivifyMe has the prospect and potential to compete and stand out among the many productivity apps that have been on the market right now. It would mean a lot if this app can impact the life of even one person for the better. Lastly, I would like to thank my family, my supervisor Dr. Shuhaili, and my friends for all the support and guidance so far. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.